and welcome back to Wobblycogs Workshop. In this episode of the bathroom build series, I get the project within a gnat's whisker of being finished. Unfortunately I stopped filming for a while, but I did take plenty of pictures which will tell the story, and I started filming again towards the end. At the end of the last episode I had fitted the toilet, so the first thing to do is build a cabinet for the sink to go on. Like a lot of my cabinets, this one is built from CLS timber. Notice the slightly odd back so that it clears all the pipework. With the cabinet in place, I started making the top. I really wish I'd filmed this part because I did a cracking good job, even if I do say so myself. The top is a piece of work surface that was in the house when we moved in. I cleaned it up, cut it to size and then planed some timber to act as edging. The overall effect I think is very pleasing. Next I turned my attention to the floor. There was a small misalignment between the existing step and the new floor, so I filled it with mortar and then got on with laying the underlay for the laminate tiles. The shape of the floor made this an incredibly awkward task, but with some patience and a lot of cardboard templates, the job turned out great. With the flooring in, I turned my attention to the last bit of cabinet work in the bathroom, a weird triangular box at the end of the bath. We decided to just leave this as dead space rather than try and turn it into some sort of storage, as access is difficult. A quick leak and load test of the bath was followed by lots and lots of tiling. I started by opening all the packs of tiles I needed and tiled randomly from the packs to distribute any discrepancies in size or colour. The various horizontal levels I had to work with naturally fell awkwardly, so I fixed a batten to the wall and initially tiled to that and then filled in from there. I cut all the tiles using the cheap and nasty tile saw I bought a few years ago. It sprung a leak halfway through the job when the plastic casing cracked. I fixed it with tape and plumber's gold. Plumber's gold, great, it can stick anything. And now your regular programming will be resumed. Oh, I'm not sure that's going to touch, look.
Yeah.
Ready, go. Whoa. Let's go. Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, blimey. Wow. You okay?
Yeah. There we go. Job's a good one. Oh, I can lift it.
Got bedded down into the silicon too well.
I did. I did. Some more silicon down over that. Oh dear, I'm getting silicon all over my drill now. Lovely and tight against the silver on this one.
Good,
really,
good.
Really pleased with that. That one out. And can you lift them out?
Yeah, got them.
That side's perfect. This side.
My side.
No, I mean look at that.
Yeah, that's
spot on in the middle.
Yeah,
so
it's the wall.
I'm not going to fix that because it ain't broke. Right, let's get a couple of wedges in there. Need to fit the string. So I have this. Ta-da!
It is a piece of string.
It's a piece of string with some washers on it.
It's a plug hole.
Yeah. And all you do is you stick it down here, thusly, until it falls down the hole. You should come down the hole.
I need to come off the
Oh.
pulley. But that just gives you the length, I take it.
No. Better than that. It just sits there, like that.
Oh, it gives you a pull through.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wish I'd thought of that before. Because I had such a game feeding this down. Ooh, it's getting cold now, isn't it?
It is. And I think somehow putting in half the window has concentrated the draft.
Yeah, it has, hasn't it? It's somehow made it colder. That's it. That's it. Feed a bit through. That's it. And you want to tie a knot about here-ish. That's it. Just a knot.
Is that
just a
going to be the
simple
right
knot.
way round?
It doesn't matter. Yeah. That's it. And then work the knot. Work until it's nice and tight. Put it on here. That's it. Grab the chisel. And just cut that down to 3 centimetres. Though. 3 centimetres.
At
That's
there?
it. Yeah, just tap with a hammer.
I'm not doing that cack-handed.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
That goes in there?
Yeah, go in there. That's it.
Sort of squashes in.
That's it. Cool.
Okay, that goes out of the way.
Yep. So you need to, with your teeth. No, not with your teeth. Look. So push that out of the way. Right.
Oh, I can't.
Okay. So you push that out of the way. Slide the weight in. Like
Okay.
that. All right.
Yeah.
The weight is holding the thing out of the way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then you just pull on the other one. And just feed it up in.
Oh.
Right. Just like that.
Sorry, this is shaky cam.
That's okay. My viewers have come to expect poor quality.
Don't make me laugh, it's even shakier cam.
I don't want to disappoint them with top quality footage. Oh dear. I think we just pull that down.
Yeah.
Feed the cable in. You need to about 5. Go on, your side.
Oh, I'll do my side at the same time.
We'll do them simultaneously.
Right, so how far am I pulling it down?
I've got about 10 centimetres hanging out. You can be pretty sure it's always going to reach the bottom. What I want to know is will it go all the way up to the top?
It's come off the pulling on that side.
So that's what I do.
So you're checking how much space there is underneath the weight?
Yeah, I'm trying to. So you just pull the window towards.
Yeah. Look at that!
Yeah.
Would you look at that?
Yeah. There we go.
That looks like a window, you know.
That does. Oh, doesn't that feel so much warmer?
That is amazing.
Yeah, cool.
Oh, that is beautiful.